Dear students, this video will be helpful for those students who are preparing for JEE examination. Today we are discussing some problems that was asked for the last JEE examination. Question is, number of solutions of the equation sin inverse 3x by 5 plus sin inverse 4x by 5 is equal to sin inverse x, where x belongs to closed interval minus 1, 1 is. Options are 0, 1, 2, 3. Let us go to the answer. We know the result of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Similarly, there is a result for sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. That is, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. Let us apply this result on the left side of the given trigonometric equation. The given equation is sin inverse 3x by 5 plus sin inverse 4x by 5 is equal to sin inverse x. Here the left side is of the form sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, where x is equal to 3x by 5 and y is equal to 4x by 5. Applying the above result on the left side of the given equation, we get sin inverse. The first term 3x by 5 into root of 1 minus square of the second term, that is 16x square by 25 plus second term 4x by 5 into root of 1 minus square of the first term 3x by 5, that is 9x square by 25. That's equal to sin inverse x. That is the right side. Now taking sin on both sides, we get 3x by 5 into root of, cross multiplying, we get 25 minus 16x square by 25 plus 4x by 5 into root of, on cross multiplication, 25 minus 9x square by 25 is equal to x. Now we can solve this equation to get the solutions for x, to find the value of x. Okay. Now one of the values of x satisfying this equation is x is equal to 0. Put x equal to 0, LHS and RHS become 0. That means one of the solution of this equation is x is equal to 0. When x is not equal to 0, we can cancel x on both sides, and simplifying we get 3 into root of 25 minus 16x square is equal to 25 minus 4 into root of 25 minus 9x square. Squaring on both sides and expanding. On squaring on the right side becomes of the form a minus b whole square, and expanding we get left side is 9 into 25 minus 16x square, and right side will be of the form a minus b whole square, and on expansion we get 625 minus 200 into 25 minus 9x square plus 16 into 25 minus 9x square. Now we can easily simplify this equation by taking the term containing square root to the left side and all of the terms to the right side. Then we get 200 into root of 25 minus 9x square is equal to 800. Dividing by 200, it becomes root of 25 minus 9x square is equal to 4, and squaring on both sides and simplifying we get x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 means x is equal to plus or minus 1. These are the other two values of x satisfying the given equation. Then total number of values of x satisfying the given equation is 3, which are x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, and x equal to 1. Then that means number of solutions of the given equation is 3. Option 4 is the answer. Okay, number of solutions is equal to 3. Okay. Now let us discuss another question that is also from inverse trigonometric function. Question is, if cot inverse x is equal to cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse 18 plus etc. up to 100 terms, then x is equal to, we have to find out the value of x by solving this equation. Now The right side of the given equation is cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse 18 plus etc. up to 100 terms. That can be written as sigma n is equal to 1 to 100 cot inverse 2n square. When n is equal to 1, that is 2 into 1, 2. When n is equal to 2, that becomes 2 into 4, 8. When n is equal to 3, that's equal to 2 into 9, 18, and so on. Then the RHS can be written as sigma n is equal to 1 to 100 cot inverse 2n square. We know that cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. By using that result, we can write cot inverse 2n square is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2n square, isn't it? Now multiplying by 2 on numerator and denominator of this 1 by 2n square, then that will becomes sigma n is equal to 1 to 100 tan inverse 2 by 4n square by multiplying by 2 on numerator and denominator. Okay. Now 2 by 4n square can be written as 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1 by 1 plus 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1. Isn't it? 2n and minus 2n cancelled. Then the remaining terms are 1 minus minus 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2. And the denominator, 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1 becomes 4n square minus 1. That minus 1 and plus 1 cancels. Then the remaining term will become 4n square. That means tan inverse 2 by 4n square can be written as tan inverse 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1 by 1 plus 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1. That is of the form tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. What is tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy? That is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. By using that result, we can write this as sigma 1 to 100 tan inverse 2n plus 1 minus tan inverse 2n minus 1. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Isn't it? Now substituting the value of n from 1 to 100, that means expanding this term. When n is equal to 1, 2n plus 1 becomes 3 and 2n minus 1 becomes 1. When n is equal to 2, that becomes tan inverse 5 minus tan inverse 3 and so on. Now expanding this by substituting value of x from 1 to 100, we get tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 1 by substituting n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 2, that becomes tan inverse 5 minus tan inverse 3. When n is equal to 3, this term becomes tan inverse 7 minus tan inverse 5 and so on. Now the last term, when n is equal to 100, this becomes tan inverse 201 minus tan inverse 199. Now look at this step. Tan inverse 3 and minus tan inverse 3 cancels. Tan inverse 5 and minus tan inverse 5 cancels. That means each term in a bracket cancels by the second term of the succeeding term. Each term in a bracket cancels by the second term of the succeeding bracket. Okay, then tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 3 cancelled, tan inverse 5 minus tan inverse 5 cancelled, and so on. The remaining terms will be the first term of the last bracket, tan inverse 201, and the second term of the first bracket, minus tan inverse 1. That means the given equation becomes tan inverse 201 minus tan inverse 1. Now that's of the form tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, isn't it? What is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y? That is tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. By applying this result, tan inverse 201 minus tan inverse 1 becomes tan inverse 201 minus 1 by 1 plus 201 into 1. What is that? That's equal to tan inverse 201 minus 1 is 200. 1 plus 201 is 202. 200 by 202 becomes 100 by 101, isn't it? Tan inverse 100 by 101. Now tan inverse x can be written as cot inverse 1 by x. What? Tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. By applying that result, tan inverse 100 by 101 becomes cot inverse 101 by 100. What is 101 by 100? That is 1.01. Then the RHS, on simplification we get cot inverse 1.01. Here it is given as cot inverse x. Now, what is the value of x? X is equal to 1.01. That's answer. That's x is equal to 1.01. Is it clear? Okay. Now let us discuss another question that is from trigonometry. Question is, if 15 sin raised to 4 theta plus 10 cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 6, then find the value of 8 cosec raised to 6 theta plus 27 sec raised to 6 theta. Options are 150, 250, 350 and 450. That's a question from JEE Main conducted on 18th March 2021. Okay, questions is, if 15 sin raised to 4 theta plus 10 cos raised to 4 theta equal to 6, then find the value of 8 cosec raised to 6 theta plus 27 sec raised to 6 theta. Okay, let us go to the answer. Given that 15 sin raised to 4 theta plus 10 cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 6. Now, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Then cos raised to 4 theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta whole square, isn't it? Now that's of the form a minus b whole square. Its expansion is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means 15 sin raised to 4 theta plus 10 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus sin raised to 4 theta. 6 is taken to the left side. Now simplifying. 15 sin raised to 4 theta plus 10 sin raised to 4 theta becomes 25 sin raised to 4 theta. 10 into minus 2, 20 sin square theta. 10 minus 6, that is 4. That means the equation becomes 25 sin raised to 4 theta minus 20 sin square theta plus 4 equal to 0. Clearly, it is a quadratic equation on sin square theta. The left side can be written as 5 sin square theta minus 2 whole square. 5 sin square theta minus 2 whole square. Isn't it? That's equal to 0. A square is equal to 0 means a square root is also 0. That means 5 sin square theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we get sin square theta is equal to 2 by 5. Sin square theta is equal to 2 by 5 implies cos square theta is equal to 3 by 5. 2 square plus 3 square is 5 square. Then if sin square theta is equal to 2 by 5, then clearly cos square theta must be 3 by 5. Now, sin square theta is equal to 2 by 5. Then what is the value of cosec square theta? That is 5 by 2. Isn't it? Similarly, cos square theta equal to 3 by 5. Then sec square theta is equal to 5 by 3. Cosec square theta is equal to 5 by 2. And sec square theta is equal to 5 by 3. We have to find out the value of 8 cosec raised to 6 theta plus 27 sec raised to 6 theta. Taking cubes on both sides, cosec raised to 6 theta is equal to 125 by 8. Similarly, sec raised to 6 theta is equal to 125 by 27. Now, take 8 cosec raised to 6 theta plus 27 sec raised to 6 theta. That's equal to 8 into, what is the value of cosec raised to 6 theta? 125 by 8. Similarly, sec raised to 6, 125 by 27. 8 and 8 cancelled. 25 by 25 cancels. The remaining terms are 125 plus 125. That is 250. That is your option 2. Second option is the answer. Okay, that's a question from JEE Main examination conducted on 18th March 2021. Okay.